Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to check your watch history on Twitter, now known as X. So Twitter or X doesn't have a direct watch history section like YouTube does, but you can still see some of the videos or tweets you've interacted with using a few smart tricks. First, open the X app. So one of the best ways to find what you've watched is by checking your liked tweets. To do this, go to your profile and tap profile. So then scroll to the right and tap the likes tab at the top. If you hit the like button on a tweet or video, it'll be saved there, making it super easy to find later. Another helpful method is using the search bar. So you'll find it at the top of the home screen or by tapping the magnifying glass icon below. Just type in keywords, usernames, or hashtags related to what you watched. This works well if you remember part of the content or who posted it. And for a more detailed option, you can request your Twitter data. Head over to your settings and privacy and then tap your account and select download an archive of your data. So Twitter will email you a full history that includes your interactions, including some video activity. So let me re-enter my password first. And then it will send you a code. And you're just gonna enter the verification code. Here it is. So while X doesn't give you a single watch history button, checking your likes using the search tool or downloading your archive are great ways to track what you've seen. So Twitter will just email you a full history that includes your interactions, including some video activity. And you just have to wait 24 hours or longer for your data to be ready.